Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap El Sobrante local and long distance movers near me. Our team of experienced movers will make sure your long distance move goes effortlessly. Selecting our crew to assist you means your cross country relocation will go smoothly. Our moving solutions give you all the best choices to personalize your move for your particular requirements. If you're searching for a general move or a full service move, our company offers all the options you need, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing a local California moving company might seem unnecessary originally. When you look into the primary benefits you get, the cost might be a lot easier to handle. Any decent moving company definitely will help you save time on your local move. Eliminating the heavy lifting also gives yet another advantage you get. Eliminating the heavy lifting also gives yet another advantage you get from working with the best local movers. With our qualified movers, you receive a very efficient move throughout. Moving day gets simpler with 3 movers simply because we simplify your entire move. Moving locally may be very quick, and our crews can deal with even a large move in just a single morning. In addition to local and long distance moving, our El Sobrante moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.